Let's discuss the key updates from Microsoft Zoom and Cisco that they announced at Enterprise Connect. I'm sure you'll be blown away with the new releases. Let's start with Microsoft. Teams phone service level agreement changed to 99.999% uptime. So from April 1st, Microsoft has updated the SLA for Teams phone to 5 nines. It's the user's ability to initiate a PSTN call, dial into audio conference via a PSTN, or process calls via call queue or auto attendant fall below 5 nines in a given month. Microsoft calculates the total downtime and pay out service credit based on the length of incidents. So for a rough calculation, if we take a month of 30 days, if the downtime is greater than 25 seconds but less than 7.2 hours, Microsoft is liable to pay 25% service credit. If the downtime is greater than 7.2 hours but less than 36 hours in a month, Microsoft is liable to 50% service credit. And if the downtime is greater than 36 hours in a month, then Microsoft is liable to pay 100% service credit. Let me know if the numbers are correct. Voice isolation. So Microsoft enabled AI-based advanced noise suppression feature that eliminates unwanted background noise, including other human noises. This feature is available in Teams calls and meetings. So once the feature is enabled, a user is asked to read a paragraph to create his/her voice profile, and that's how the AI will suppress other noises from the speech. Copilot will compose enhancements for chat and channels. What this means is Copilot will customize your draft message by using your voice prompt, like make your message funny, add a call to action. These improvements will be available this spring and will require a Copilot license. Autopilot for Teams rooms on Windows. So customers can now utilize touchless remote provisioning of devices, speeding up the deployment process and saving time for IT. Combines Windows Autopilot and auto login technologies to automate the enrollment and configuration of devices from the cloud using the credentials stored in the Teams Rooms Pro management service. Intelligent call recap. The calls app in Teams will soon have AI generated notes and action items for your calls, so you can pay attention to your conversations instead of consolidating or coordinating next steps and notes. Join meetings with a QR code on Teams rooms on Windows and Android. So now you can quickly join a meeting from a Teams room by scanning a QR code using your mobile device. You will enter a companion mode experience in your Teams mobile. Automatic camera switching for IntelliFrame. Sometimes remote participants in a hybrid meeting may have trouble seeing everyone clearly in the room. Depending on how people and objects are arranged in the physical space, automatic camera switching for IntelliFrame will help with this issue by using multiple cameras in a team rooms, including your laptop cameras. This feature will be available for Teams Rooms Pro licenses and will be available later this year. Multiple camera view selection. Now, remote participants in a team meeting will be able to control their view of the Teams room thanks to multiple camera view selection. When there are multiple video feeds from the same Teams rooms, multiple camera view will let remote attendees switch between different views from the room wherever they want. Intelligent meeting recap on mobile. With intelligent recap in Teams for iOS and Android, you can access AI generated meeting notes, generate AI generated tasks, name mentions, and etc. Automatic device updates via Teams Rooms Pro management. So during the initial setup of the device, the Team Rooms on Windows app will automatically check for and install new application and Windows updates, ensuring devices are protected and up to date. Microsoft Device Ecosystem Platform MDEP releases to Android manufacturers. So the initial release of MDEP has been released to manufacturers. Several device makers are making plans for new Android 13 devices built on MDEP. Jabra is the first to announce their commitment to MDEP, and additional strategic partnership with device makers and silicon providers will be announced later this year by Microsoft. Now, what is MDEP? MDEP is an Android-based platform from Microsoft that combines the best of Android and Microsoft technology. Now, let's move to Zoom. Zoom introduced Zoom Workspace. Workplace is the company's attempt to improve teamwork and productivity via a single workspace to access Zoom's collaborative workplace tools. It will be an open platform and can be integrated through APIs, SDKs, and already has more than 2,500 integration. Updates on Zoom meetings. Zoom users can now create an avatar. During meetings, a new multi-speaker view dynamically adjusts the video layout to highlight active speakers. AI-powered portrait lighting enhances users' visibility in low-light environments, while generative AI virtual backgrounds enable custom backgrounds creation. On the Zoom phone side, they've enabled a cloud-based audio intercom feature. Workspace reservation adds desk suggestions. Zoom's workspace reservation now provides a desk suggestion when a user makes a desk reservation. Um, works updates to workspace reservation dashboards. Zoom has launched a new feature for its Smart Gallery Intelligent Director, which is powered by AI and will use multiple cameras in a meeting room and select the best view for each participant. For Zoom Chat, video messaging has been enabled, so users can now record and send video messages via Zoom Chat. Uh, Now let's look at Cisco updates at Enterprise Connect. They introduced second generation Cisco Board Pro with the latest features. They introduced Cisco 9800 series phones, specially made keeping hot desking in mind. The Webex Suite continues to be their leading offer for meetings, messaging, and calling. They have integrations that span from Apple to collaborations with Ford and Lincoln. Improved AI assistant with meeting summary, tailored summary. You can jump straight to action. If some task is screaming for your attention, then Webex AI assistant will tag it separately as re-energize and give you the context. Too many updates got released. I'm so excited. I will list link to all the OEM websites where these things are mentioned, and even more features are mentioned, and I will link um, my blog link where I have summarized all of these features. I hope you're excited after Enterprise Connect seeing the new features. If you have any doubts, questions, please put it in the comments. Thank you.